I got a sneaky suspicion that my car might be very stuck when I find it. I think I got some digging to do. Yeah, we got a good solid 2 feet of snow. And I've got about 100 yards of unplowed road to go. That's gonna be tricky. We've got absolutely no visibility. Don't need visibility unless we can drive somewhere. Hey, not bad. I got like 75 feet with that. So I'm gonna take my snowshoes and beat a path to the plowed road. Oh, that's a long way to go. I was giving it a bunch of throttle and it just popped on me and I kind of smelled this burning smell, and now only 2 of the wheels are spinning. I think I boogered up the all-wheel drive. Got a gentleman in a big 4x4 pickup who might be able to help get me out. That's pretty sick.